Hello, welcome to my art club. I am Sima, and on this channel I will inspire you to find your creativity. In today's video I will explain you how to paint this lovely rainbow leaf bouquet in less than 5 minutes. You can find the supplies in the description below. First I drew my stems with a pencil and then I outlined them with a pointy brush, holding my brush at the almost 90-degree angle. Next, I load my brush with water and paint and apply brush on paper by putting light pressure against it, just like you see on the video. The more pressure you're gonna put, the bigger strokes you're gonna get. The lighter pressure you're gonna put, the smaller strokes you are going to get. You can play around first by trying to adjust the pressure and see what you can get. You also can rotate the paper as necessary to achieve desired effects. And you can also change angles when you put strokes. When painting strokes, I usually hold my brush at 45 to 30-degree angle. It's like you pushing your brush against the paper. When you start next leaf, start it from opposite side of the bouquet, since the first part is not dried yet and we don't want to spread paint. When painting strokes, try not to touch to each other, as this will create undesired paint bleedings. If any of your paint strokes have much more water and paint in them, you can reapply your dry brush to pick up some extra paint that you've got at the end of leaf. You can notice me picking up some extra paint from the strokes that I think have too much water in them. When you have less water and the paint on your paintbrush, that will create this desired translucent effect on the edges of the strokes. Keep going with all the other colors by switching sides and switching paper as necessary, so you don't press on the strokes that are still wet. You can create this kind of rainbow effect also with a little bit less bold colors, like pastel colors. It's also gonna look very pretty. And this is a completed bouquet. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe and to like and share and to comment. I really appreciate your input and your ideas. Thank you.